In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social for social media 226, step by step. We'll start by centralizing your social profiles so everything lives in one place. After you log in, head to Settings and choose Connect a Profile. Add the accounts you manage: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, and Pinterest. Sprout will guide you through each network's authorization. Make sure you're using an account with the right admin permissions and keep the authentication windows open until you see the confirmation. Once connected, you'll have a single dashboard that saves time and eliminates tab overload. Next, get comfortable with your control center. The Smart Inbox gathers messages and comments from all profiles so you don't miss a thing. Publishing is where you plan, draft, and schedule posts. Analytics shows how your content performs. Listening helps you monitor trends and conversations around your brand or industry. Take a minute to click through each area and note the filters and views you'll use most often. Now let's create content. Go to Publishing and select Compose. Upload your image or video, write a clear caption, and add thoughtful hashtags. Choose the platforms you want to publish to, then decide whether to schedule for a future date and time or publish now. The calendar view makes it easy to spot gaps, align with campaigns, and keep a consistent cadence. Preview how your post looks on each network and tailor copy slightly if needed. Don't post at random. Build a simple content mix. Educational pieces such as tips or tutorials, engagement-driven prompts like questions or polls, and promotional highlights for your offers or services. A practical weekly rhythm could be tips on Monday, a relatable story on Wednesday, and an offer on Friday. Keep your voice consistent and make sure each post has a clear purpose. Use the Smart Inbox to stay responsive. View all comments and DMs in one place, reply quickly, and assign messages to teammates when needed. Fast, friendly responses build trust and often boost reach as platforms reward active engagement. Check performance regularly in reports or analytics. Focus on engagement rate, follower growth, top performing posts, and best posting times. Identify themes that work, formats, topics, or timing, and do more of that while phasing out what underperforms. Tap into listening to monitor keywords, brand mentions, and broader trends. This is a powerful way to spot content ideas, uncover customer pain points, and join conversations while